Electric vehicles are no more a thing of the past. Every country is working its way towards utilizing clean renewable energy to power vehicles. As for motor vehicles and bicycles, countries such as the United States, India, and more have been amping up the production of electric two-wheelers since 2021. But one of the biggest tech companies in the world, Tesla, had remained silent for all these years regarding two-wheelers. But now in 2022, the electric bicycle, or e-bike, is going to be the latest form of clean energy mobility produced by Tesla. While Elon Musk initially had no intentions of making e-bikes, it's clear that he's banking on the now popular trend of riding e-bikes. But what does this foray mean for Tesla, and when is the e-bike coming out? Stick around till the end to find out everything there is to know about Tesla's e-bike. With numerous four-wheeled vehicles out already, Tesla is a heavyweight in the field of e-vehicles, but their products so far have only been affordable to upper-class citizens, with the price of their cars going all the way up to $100,000. Their most affordable car is sold at no less than $47,000. The cost to make a Tesla car is clearly quite hefty, and so the prices reflect that. But one sector that Tesla has been hesitating to venture into is e-bikes. By focusing mainly on the Cybertruck for the past 4 years, Tesla has let companies like Bosch, Yamaha, and Harley-Davidson take over the market with their own e-bikes. Tesla has intentionally been abstaining from manufacturing electric bikes due to their high rate of accidents and deaths. Even as of 2022, they have no plans to manufacture electric bikes. However, with their electric bicycles, they have finally ventured into the manufacturing of two-wheeled transport systems. All over the world, e-bikes are now one of the most popular modes of transport, with many buying and renting them. With bicycles already being a very commonly used mode of transport for a more sustainable way of living, the use of e-bikes is expected to boom to $40 billion worth of sales by 2030. This is mainly due to the affordability of e-bikes as compared to electric cars. And now, Tesla has finally announced plans for a new e-bike in 2022 and has even disclosed design details and other specifications. The futuristic, sleek designs of Tesla's cars and Cybertruck has been one of the most well-received features of their vehicles so far, and the e-bike's design is looking to be received the same way. A gorgeous, sleek design with a simple black and white coating, Tesla's e-bike takes the generic, common bicycle design and elevates it to another level, mostly due to the absence of spokes on the tires. Without dangling chains and a mudguard either, the bike looks and feels light. Just like Tesla's cars, the bike's steering bar handle design is very unorthodox. Remember when people said they could never get used to driving a Tesla car due to the yoke steering wheel? Well, there seem to be no problems with that now, as it just takes some time to get used to it. The same goes for the handlebar system of the e-bike. According to the official reveal of the e-bike, the handlebar isn't connected to the front wheel. It doesn't even move right or left because it has been manufactured to be in a fixed state without a movable joint. In order to steer, you simply apply pressure to the side you want to turn. Though it's basically only a bicycle, this is a very advanced piece of technology containing sensors that detect force applied to the handle. The more pressure you put onto one side, the more the wheel turns accordingly. It's quite a fascinating innovation that's bound to have detractors in the beginning, but until these bikes officially hit the markets, people will have to wait for the full experience. With a digital screen in between the steering handles, this e-bike is also very safe to ride even if you're discovering a new route. The screen acts as a map linked up to GPS with a high level of accuracy. On top of this, you also get information about your riding speed and battery capacity. Their unwillingness to produce electric bikes was mainly due to concern for potential accidents among bike riders. But with an electric bicycle, this is not the case. However, Tesla is still trying, to their very best, to make the e-bike as safe as possible for riders. No matter what product Tesla produces, they always aim for safety, convenience, and environmentally friendly technology. With forward, side-facing, and rear proximity LIDAR sensors around the bike, it is designed and built to provide maximum safety for the rider. They have also been one of the leading manufacturers in autopiloted vehicles for a while now, and this continues with the e-bike. If danger to the rider is ever sensed by the bike, it may readjust itself in order to avoid any potential hit. The bike's own AI system will take over the steering for a brief moment to stay clear of an accident. Tesla's experiments with autopiloted cars and trucks have been proven successful on numerous occasions, so it won't be hard to believe if they nail this feature for the e-bike as well. The technology Tesla has been developing for the past 10 years is not only instrumental to cars, but for any electric vehicle. Technology such as the Autopilot system and rechargeable batteries. The Tesla e-bike, known specifically as the Model B e-bike, was designed by Kendall Toerner and already has a huge edge over other e-bikes when it comes to technology. Both wheels have their own dedicated motor, forming the very first dual drive system for an e-bike. As mentioned earlier, the wheels don't have spokes, but instead have shock absorbers to ensure the smoothest ride. Almost every feature on the bike is wholly unique to Tesla. Tesla's carbon-sleeved motor used in the Model S car was a huge breakthrough for the company. This motor helped them unlock never-before-seen speeds. The same motor is being used for the newer car model, the Roadster, and now even the e-bike will be using the same motor with small modifications. As for the body of the e-bike, it is surprisingly light for something so technologically advanced. It has been reported that it is perfect not only for small journeys on clear roads, but also on rough terrain. The bike can be easily transported from place to place, not only because of its being lightweight, but also its ability to fold. By being able to fold it, you will have no trouble at all fitting it into cars or storing it somewhere with less available space. While the rest of the electric bike industry continues to use the old 18650 battery cells, Tesla manufactures its own 4680 battery cells, which are very lightweight. The 4680 batteries are also less than half the size you will find on other e-bikes. The batteries are hidden inside the sleek bike frame, preserving its futuristic, smooth look. As for charging capabilities, the bike will come with its own charger and may eventually be usable with the upcoming EV charging ports that are currently in development. It's very easy to take Tesla's e-bike design and innovation for granted, seeing as how they have been the leading designers and manufacturers of the best modern vehicles. But with the e-bike in particular, they have truly impressed with their Model B design. Though its price is currently unknown, it is highly unlikely for it to be as expensive as their previous products. Tesla's mass production capabilities may also ensure a lower cost for its e-bikes, finally making an affordable product for middle-class consumers. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more interesting content and let us know what you think about Tesla's new e-bike in the comments below.